Okay, so if you guys can turn in your books to page 154, right up there, we're going to be taking a look at pyramids now, an actual example inside your book. So let's read this, working with surface areas of pyramids. So the pyramid's a three-dimensional object with a polygonal base. Now what that means, polygonal means can be any number of sides on the bottom. We're mostly going to be working with a four-sided bottom, usually like a square or some kind of a rectangle. Alright, and it has lateral sides that are triangles. That's what we were getting across in that other video there, is that the lateral sides, which basically means the facing outside, okay, that's what lateral means, the things that are facing the outside, they're triangles. And they meet at a point called the apex, okay, which is where that dot was that I told you to link those things to. In a right pyramid, the apex is aligned above the center of the base. So we call a right pyramid one that has a center right above that middle of the base. And you can see that in the pyramid down below there. All right, so what we're going to be doing here is we'll take a look at this example and see if we can't find the surface area of that square base pyramid. So let's take a look here. Usually what we like to start by doing is draw the net of the pyramid. So I'm going to start by drawing the net. So when we take a look at this pyramid, to draw a net, we imagine that we cut all the sides off, so to speak. So when we do that, we see that we have a square in the middle. It kind of looks like this. Okay, and that square is going to be 24 meters by 24 meters. That's that square. Okay, the bottom piece here, which I'll outline in black. I was just trying to draw the bottom here. Okay, it goes across like that, over, so we're just drawing that. Okay, now we're going to draw the triangles that go up to the apex, which I'll just outline here. So these triangles here, that's one of them. There's another one along there. There's 4 total. Okay, and so let's draw these triangles here. Kind of look like that, 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 and that. Now these triangles are all the same, and it's telling us here that the height of these triangles, that value there, it tells us it's 16 meters. I'll write that in here, 16 meters. So if we want to find the area, surface area of a pyramid, basically we've just busted it down into area 1, which is a rectangle or a square, okay, and area 2. 4 of those area 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're triangles. So let's try and find area 1. Area 1 is equal to length times width. Okay, so the length times width, the length is 24 and the width is 24. So area 1, 24 by 24, let's get that out. 24 by 24, 576. So area 1 is 576 meters squared. Okay, and let's find that one of those area 2's. Okay, and then we'll take that answer and times it by 4 of them. So area 2 is just a triangle. So we're going to use the formula half, 0.5 times base times height. Now, the base on these triangles is this 24 value right here. Okay, that's how long the base is. Again, that 24 is referring to the distance from here to there. Okay, that's the 24 value. And the height is 16. So, we have 0.5 times 24 times 16. So let's figure that out. 0.5 times 24 times 16. $192. So that's 192 square meters, and now there's 4 of those area 2's. There's 4 triangles there. Okay, so we need to take that and times it by 4 because there's 4 triangles. So times by 4 triangles, and that gives us the area here. So 192 times 4. 768. So the total area here from those triangles is 768 meters squared. Okay, now last thing to do is add them up. So the total is 576 plus 768. So the total here, 576 plus 768, so plus 576, just double check that. Yep. 1344. And that is how you find the surface area of a pyramid. Draw a net, figure out what shapes you got. We had a rectangle shape, then we had a triangle shape. Find those areas, multiply by the number of triangles, add them up. So, next I'd like you guys to try number 7 on your own, on page 155, right here, this one. So give that a shot, and in the next video I'll be showing you guys the process of solving the answer.